dates, put some raisins and some Gucci in there. Good. Look at that. Over there, that'll sweeten it up. Okay, you know me here at PB Ram, I like my cinnamon, so I'll put a little bit of cinnamon. And of course, we like things sweet, so we're going to put in some brown sugar on this. Well, that's what I saw in the recipe. And of course, we're going to do so we had a lot of leftover plums. I cleaned some up that were a little bit bumped when I got them delivered here. And we're going to put those in there. And I think that'll make it nice, tasty. Now I did take this idea from somebody else. I put in my mint, sort of like I did on that banana cake. And you make sure you get some oil. I'll cover it up some more with some rice, and then we'll bake it in the oven for 50 minutes.